So we're live for live stream 4:15. Another great day in the markets. We've traded 1 million contracts on ES. 423 on NQ. Silver barely 56,000. Barely 100,000 on gold. So another thin day. Another thin day in the markets. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh, what is this? Oh, great. Oh my, it's a lot more volatile than I thought. It's a lot more volatile than I thought. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's see. I wouldn't say the price action suggests that we're going to go down. If anything, the price action probably suggests we're going higher. Mm. Mm. If anything, I should be looking for stop loss executed. Ah. What's filthy crap? Oh, of course he's run into that. Fuck. Is this moving average going to hold us up? Is this 50 period going to hold us up? Looks like it, doesn't it? Let's say this looks like it wants to go higher. Stop loss executed. Another stop loss going to be executed. Oh, goodness. Another stop loss. Can't buy wins. Just cannot buy wins. At least it looks like I may get a win here. Oh, sugar. Just add it there. Don't fall off. Oh my gosh. Ah. Got to be fucking kidding. I think the target's in a good place. Well, you never know. There we go. There we go. Finally got a win on the table. Imagine this is going to drag this up with it. Maybe I should just take it off. I'm going to take it off. No point. The buyers to come in strongly here. No, they're not there. Looking for the upside breakout, but it's not there. I guess this market wants to stay in this range. Great. Just great. I was looking for that breakout. Real strong momentum. Take us up to that 300. So we're attacking the highs over here. Want to see a strong break. Go run. Nope. Fucking sellers, man. Let's see if we can go up to the 94.50. Love for it to go to 94.50. 36 seconds left on this candle. If we can get to that 94.50, I'll certainly be a bit more confident. But no. Putting in volume here. Around the 92s. Okay, so we got to 94.50. A little bit more confident that we can get to this target here. Above the 300. Let's go 99.75. Stick an alert out there. There we go. Fuck, man. Gone to 301. Target is at 301.50. Son of a fucking bitch, man. 2 ticks away. Man. Oh my fucking life, man. Jeez. Please, man. Oh my fucking life, man. 2 fucking ticks. 2 fucking ticks. And then it fucking slams my stop. Fuck. Oh my gosh. I love trading, man. I just love trading. Oh fuck. I wouldn't want to do anything else. Fuck me. Such a good fucking trade, man. Only to just fucking watch this fucking thing, man. Coming within 2 ticks of my fucking target and it comes back down and stops me out. 2 fucking ticks. Let's see. Oh shit. What the hell? 216. What was that? 432. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh. Well, you're in. You are in, my friend. So. Two fucking ticks, man. Jeez Louise. Oh, hi. Oh, yeah. Good thing I turned on notification. How's the trading going? Mate. Fucking. You couldn't have picked a worse time, mate. I had a target up here at 301.50. And this fucking... this market comes up to 301 and then slams down and takes out my stop on this candle. If you talk about how pissed I was, mate, I was so pissed right here, mate. It came within 2 ticks, right? 301. And then it slams down to clear my stop. Oh my fucking word, mate. Pissed me right off, mate. Now I've got this huge risk on the flipping gold. That I don't know. Not sure about it. It looks like NQ is going to do. Look at this shit, man. Look at this. I should put the alert up there at 301.50 where the flipping target was previously. Where it came and cleared me out. This son of a... this son of a gun, I tell you. This son of a gun. So I've got the alert C right there. Oh, man. This fucking thing. See? It would have got to my target. Fuck. Such a son of a gun, man. Fuck me. And I've got this other target up here at 303.75. And we've got to the 302.25. Oh, don't do this shit again. Don't do this shit again. Hold on, mate. I'm about to respond to your comment. I am. Come on. Feel me. We've gone through the level. Come on. We've got as high as 304. Come on. There we go. There we go. Hopefully gold is going. Oh, fuck. Gold is going to clear all of that profit. Ha. Gold is going to clear away all that profit. Going to be stopped out on gold. This fucking thing, man. Ah, the joys of trading. We would not want to do anything else. So picked up 174 over there on NQ. About to lose 235 on gold. Anyway. How's it going? Yeah, lol. I've been happen. Literally came within 0.001 away from my target. No exaggeration before running my stop. Mate. These are the days you start to get into conspiracies, mate. You really start to think. Is my target or stop that obvious? You really do start to think about that sort of thing. Well, if I lose 235, I lose 235 here. On the positive side, if it gets the target, I pick up 628. I took on the risk, so I just have to accept it. Where did I execute this order here? Execute this. Come on. Where is this order executed? Let's see. Come on. Why can't I click on this arrow, man? Fuck me. I'll tell you where I can figure it out. Orders. Should be showing where I've executed. 1062. 1062. Okay. 1062. Let's take some profit right there. If we get it. Yeah, we'll see. No, what? Forget it. You took the risk. Took 235 risk. So, all right. To tell me about the 900k loss. Well, 900k loss wasn't. It wasn't a single trade. It was an accumulation of trades. Thing is, I came into the market, and I was very suspicious of the market because I saw that. The small cap momentum traders were having a hard time. And usually when they have a hard time, I have a hard time in the market. And then we also got NFP as well. This is going to come and get stopped out. Son of a gun. Absolute son of a gun. This fucking market, man. So, it was this accumulation of small trades and not walking away. It was loss after loss after loss after loss after loss. A lot of trades. A lot of over trading. Gonna lose 235. Yeah, it's almost impossible not to lose here. Zero bid. Zero bid. So, yeah, looks like the spread just saved me there. But for how long? We've traded through that loss, the 1046 there, but the spread somewhat saved me temporarily. What happened to your max loss limit? There wasn't one, mate. I didn't even look at the P&L. I knew I was losing, and I just kept trading. Like I was down. I was aware I was down like 500, 600, 700k. Built some of it back, gave some of it back. Just these pretty wild swings. It was a case of once I started drawing down, the drawdown just kept going. There was some recovery. Came within, I think, 300 of break even on the day. Drew down again. So it was a cumulative effect. I don't know why I'm looking at gold. I've already accepted a loss over here, so let's look at NQ. Oh, what's happened over here? Okay. What about yourself, mate? What have you been trading? What have you been looking at? Okay. Seems to have found a little level right here. Around the 25,300. 25,300 appears to be the level. So we've got this high. Let's see. Oh, my battery's about to die. What instruments you been looking at, ETH? So we've got 320 essentially, 317, 320. We got 320, so maybe this market wants to go to 320. Onshore. Oh, fuck, man. Look at flipping NQ go down. Bad sign for gold, man. Jeez. Oh, man. Let's go look at gold. Fuck. I need a divergence. I need gold to get away from NQ. I would really appreciate it if gold was to break to the upside. It would be much appreciated. So there's those imbalanced things you're on about, mate. Took around 15% of curve growth on a win on BTC, but also took 2 losses. Well, after losses, I refined my setup and should be around 90% win rate. Goodness me, 15%. Oh, jolly. Just a 15. So what do I need to see here? 12 seconds, the candle close. I don't want to see this whole candle retrace, man. I just don't want to see a false breakout here. Broke above this consolidation high. I don't want to see this come all the way back down below 1089. That's going to really, really piss me off if we do that. Move higher and make a new level, man. Fuck. The longer we hang around here, the more I think the breakout is fake. The more we hang around this 5,112, the more it makes me think it's fake. See? Fucking fake breakout, man. Breakout, euphoric breakout, man. Buyers can't sustain the move. Here comes the sellers, man. Sons of bitches. Sorry. I should fix my language. Sons of guns, sons of guns. Sons of guns, sons of guns. That's what I should say. Sons of guns. Careful of my language. It may sound harsh of me, but I think it's not very smart of you to turn off bid ask and only looking at volume information is what give you the most edge. You blinded yourself for simplicity. So not having the bid ask candles. For example, on the move up, was it buyers being aggressive or was it sellers being passive? See, we're into an area with a lot of volume here. Fuck. Damn it. Too late. Too late. Fucking too late. Too late. Okay, let's get a look at the other candles. On the move up. Yes, there's a lot of volume, but who was it? Was it sellers trying to move price up aggressively, or was it a ton of limit buyers, aggressive buys? Was it sellers, buyers fighting aggressively? Oh no, not this crap. No, thank you. Fuck, man. Ugh. Just as I suspected, a fake breakout. Just as I suspected. This is a lot of volume. But was it sellers trying to move price up aggressively? Was it sellers trying to move price up aggressively, or was it a ton of limit buys? You can't see that based on the volume only footprint you look at. But one of the most important things on the footprint chart. Let's look at NQ. Let's look at the so we've come into this area. Buyers are there. He's saying who's taking it higher. Sorry if I'm sounding harsh. I just want to point out the mistakes that I keeping your edge down. I don't think I have an edge, mate. I'll be honest. I just think I am... any success I have had recently is probably more down to the condition. Oh, my word. Oh, crap. I got to do it. Hold on. Give me a sec. Oh, hold on. Timer. Make it 30 minutes. No, I don't see it. I don't see anything you say as look at this thing, man. I don't see any of your criticism as being harsh. I'm not super sensitive to criticism, to be honest. I am not super sensitive to criticism. I don't think you're being harsh either. See, these assholes just keep selling this thing down, man. Just let me know if we're not friends that I think your biggest mistake is not looking at each of your trades, analyzing them to see why you won, why you lost, and you can improve. That's what I did, and it rocked my progress massively. I think one of my big issues is I trade in all conditions regardless of the market, because in reality this market's a lot slower, especially in terms of volume, than when I was accumulating those big days. And yet here I am trying to make something happen in a slow, choppy market. For example, you probably think I'm a trader who got skill from decades of experience, but try to guess how long I've been trading. We're in 26, 3 years. I'm going to say 3 years, mate. Hold on, where do I need this to go? I need this to go to 122.6. We're trading 113. So I need $10 more to the upside. $10 more. Nope, try again. I said 3, hold on, 3 years. I'm going to say, this thing's going to annoy me. I don't even want to look at this. Not 3 years, so 5. I'm going to go with a guess of 5 years. How close am I? With 5 years. What happens when I click delta? No. If this guy says 2 years, I might just end this live stream. If he says 2 years or less, I might just end this live stream. So I'm going to go, so I said 5, it's not 3. Let's go with... No, I'm not going 2 years. No way. 7 years. Oh, look at this go up, man. Son of a gun. Fucking son of a gun. Started trading December 2024. You've got to be kidding. December 2024. Golly. Oh, I'm feeling FOMO, man. Fuck. Golly. Oh, my word. I just can't interpret this. And the thing is, I generate a lot of data, but I don't use it. I don't use the data I generate. The moment I started making money was the moment I focused on volume. Look at why I lost trades instead of taking losses and moving on. You see that? I think, because even this, I know you mean in terms of total volume. Fuck. You gotta be kidding me. 17. We're $5 from target. Okay. Well, we're in the trade. This trade, for example, was based off... Where is it? Well, it was on the total volume, actually. Let's have a look. No. Total volume. So I was seeing that 88 sitting down there on this wick. I was basing the trade off there. And that was just me using total volume. And the fact that we had 88, which is pretty large in comparison to what we've seen recently. Do have the exception of this 120 and this 232 down here. But that's what this entire trade's based off. Off that alone. So after I took those two losses, I told you I refined my edge. The one I said. So I looked at the trades, saw that the winner had something different than my loser. So I adjusted the model. Oh, this thing's going to torture me. I better look away. I probably take too many. Well, I think I definitely take too many trades to analyze them. Maybe I should make some hard, fast rules. Maybe I should say that's how you get 2-to-1 strategy, a 3.35% win rate, profit factor of 7. Jeez Louise. A profit factor of 7. Golly. So for every dollar you lose, you make 7. Golly. Oh my word. This thing. Huh. Am I gonna put all my eggs in this basket right here? Oh, I'll just accept it. So you'd say it's more than just the order flow instruments. It's the combination of order flow and volume analysis. Assuming it's not super personal. I'm just sitting. Hold on. Hold on. I'm just sitting here doing stuff around the house. So go ahead and pick my brain. Any tips, whatever you want to know. Okay. So it's going to be. It's not just order flow. It's also volume analysis as well. It's not just going to be one tool. This is, how did I miss out on this? Right there. There it is, 300. There it came again. Very random. Where did I start the day? I'm just sitting doing stuff. A3. Yes, the combination is what you want. Order flow needs to have context, which is why you're missing in your strategy. That's why I said draw zones. If price gets stuffed, who cares? But if price gets stuffed at a POC, that's when you have an edge. So we just traded 17.5. Let's go 18.3s over on gold. Is that a new high? It looks like it. 22.6. So let's go with 19.6. 27. 21.8. Let's leave this alone. Golly. Golly. Is this going to retake the highs? Let's have a look at this area over here. If price gets stuffed, who cares? But if price gets stuffed at a PLC, that's when you have an edge. So it's not just buying and selling random places. We just saw 18.7. So what's happening over here? Golly, come on. We've got to 19. Target. Target's in an interesting place. Plus we've got volume around the 120s, which could prove problematic. Okay. Even Tom Vorwart with world-class edge uses footprint charts, but he waits to use footprint charts until he has a zone using the volume profile and TPO. You're using footprint charts, but you're also leaving half the equation out, which makes sense why you'd have a minus 900k day. So integrating volume profile with footprint charts. Look at this thing, man. Jeez. Meanwhile, gold is having a, you know, a pullback is not the end of the world. Let's see. So this is a high volume area right here. Not really that, but that area right there. My word, look at this breakout. We're back up to 19 on back up to 19 on our friends over at gold. That 120 is a problem, I can imagine. Need a breakout to the upside. No guarantees of success. Oh wow. 542. Is this about to pull back? $542 into this 500 and this 397. Nope, still breaking out. In fact, I bet you 5,000 that if you waited for price to exit the value area and used your footprint charts once price came to retest and use smart targets, you'd be more profitable long term. 5,000 if you wait. You can't bet me 5,000, mate. I don't have the capital to put up 5,000, assuming you followed the strategy. Golly. Golly. So, this is an area. Are we going to be able to navigate it? See, we got 522 up there. So we're having quite a bit of volume being put in now. Is this market about to pull back from this area all the way down to that 32? Is that what's going to happen? Is this market going to pull back? Hold on, what? Oh, wrong tool. Is that what is going to happen? Oh, why is this thing still? Okay, then how about this? Try to look for P's and B's with AMT. Then look for your setups with footprints using AMT as a filter. So look for the P's and B's. And use AMT. Okay, let's see. So we've got one right here. Got a P right here. And where would the volume be? It'd have to be this area down here. 317. Nope, can't use that one. The volume's too low. The volume's too low right there. Oh my word, look at it. It's selling out of that area. Will it get all the way down here? To the 332s. Will it get down to the 332s? Let's see. Let's see if we can do a P and a B. Oh, the high side of the B for a potential bounce. So you'd be using the same strategy you have been using, but with P's and B's to filter bad trades. If you don't like it, then you simply stop doing it. But it doesn't hurt to try. Who knows, it might help. You know what? Yeah, we'll try it. Oh my gosh, this gold, man. What's the time of day? Oh, fuck. I don't think I'm going to get to target on gold today. It's too far away. 16. I need this to be up at 22. I need $6 in the next 90 minutes. So, see? Oh, look at this. That would have been a good short now, wouldn't it? Oh my word, that would have that would have been a great short. That would have been a great short. Buy. Buy. I'll put it there. Put it there. There we go. Just like you said, mate. Look at that. I use a P. I use a high volume down here. Well, this volume here. Bought as I started seeing the market retrace a bit. And it's got to target. Problem is I couldn't get in enough size. That's what the problem is for me. Couldn't quite get enough size. Suppose I could. No, it's too far now. It's too far. Oh, it's too far. Nah, it doesn't work. 29.75 average. 29.75. Gold is getting stuffed, man. Jeez. Yeah, that's not getting to target. Well, that's crazy. Almost like AMT works or something. I don't know. AMT. Look at that. It's putting the volume exactly where the volume was there. It's come down. It's putting volume at that level. So there was another opportunity right there as it came back and retested it. Would have had to have been aggressive, but jeez Louise. Gold is selling off. Son of a gun, man. Pure son of a gun. Almost back at break even. Fuck. You just took your first trade using volume analysis with order flow. Yes, I have. If it does come back, I won't be taking it though. I think trying 3 times is a bit much. Golly, gold. Gold is done. What could have been? What could have been? Look at that level though. Oh, such a good level. I didn't take the short. Oh, when the selling got stuff down here. Yeah, the thing is, I had to get in a bit anticipatory. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Gold is just... Oh my word. There's no buyers. No buyers. Hmm. 122.6. So we're up 436 at the highs. Like I said, when price gets stuffed, who cares? When price gets stuffed at a POC, when you have an edge. Look at that, man. That buy down there. Goodness me. Just getting stuffed again. Which is a bad news for gold. Sellers keep stuffing us in this area. There isn't a P or a B to draw on, so I'll just have to wait. I'll have to wait for another setup. if there is one. Golly, look at this, man. Okay, so when price gets off, who cares? When price gets off, so that's when you finish. No. No, you're just trying to get data to fit your narrative. No, don't do that. So volume's a bit lighter here. Again, getting stuffed. We're gonna get stopped out over there. Oh, this is probably gonna be an asshole and sell off. We'll leave it alone. We'll leave it alone. Hold on. One of the best questions to ask is why. So if you don't want to draw zones, at least ask why price is getting stuff. If the setup is logical, take it. If not, skip. Well, the idea... Oh. Look at NQ sell off now. Oh my gosh, that means I'm going to definitely get stopped out on gold. So we're back into the area again. I don't think it's going to work this time. I don't think it's going to work. Nope. It's not going to work. It's hanging around in here too much. It is hanging around in here too much. $42.75. Well, imagine if it actually goes and works. Surely not. Surely not. Nope, sellers have come back strongly here. This is probably going to be a stop out here. Sellers are not having it again. They've had enough. Is that too tight to stop? No, because if I move the stop, I'm going to have to move the target. If I move the stop, I'm going to have to move the target, so... Sellers still want to drive this down lower. Maybe this area is overplayed. AMT for the win. Golly. Oh my. Oh my. Oh goodness me. If only that could work on gold right now. If only. Nope. Here we go. Here we go. Coming to get stopped out on gold. There's no way we don't get stopped out on gold. There's no way. There's no way it can keep getting bought back up out of here. So we're going to lose 235 there. Take us negative on the day. But we're probably going to lose a lot more because of the thinness of this market. I assume you get the point now. The point's certainly been proven there. Oh wow. We broke out of that level with we're breaking back inside value. Oh sugar. Took too long to recognize it. Took too long. It's probably going to go to that value area high. Not quite, came close. That's a huge break of value though. All the way down to where the move originated. So we got a value area though sitting down there. Now you can look for a short. Short. Oh, because it broke value with volume. Okay, it's going to the value area high. It seems like it wants to. That could have been a long in that P that price tested before coming back up. In what P? There could have been a long in the P that price tested before coming back up. What P is that? Or this one? Is this one? No, it can't be that one. Hold on. Oh, it looks like we're going for value area high. Well, this P over here. Oh no, don't come back, man. Ha, just like you said, mate. The whole consolidation is the area. But this whole consolidation off. Oh, hold on. Da, da, da. I don't need this to go down, man. Don't need it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ah, the joys, the joys, the joys of trading. Doesn't that look bullish at all? It doesn't look bullish at all. So this consolidation from, was that 127 all the way through to 210. Oh, did you have any more questions? You only asked one question about volume analysis combined with order flow. How do you determine where the target's going to be? Look at that. It's just like you said, mate. Look at this, man. This is coming down to that stop. This thing's coming down to that stop. It just keeps getting rejected higher. There's no way this doesn't come down to that stop. Buyers can't keep it up. They're just going to go search for buyers. And that's the case, then. Oh my word. We're finding buyers at value area low. What are we doing? What are we doing? Sure, accumulated volume around value area low. Sure. Golly. Target value area high. I usually look for obstacles against me and put a stop here before the obstacle. If there's none, then I target set risk reward value. You know what? Let's go. Oh, hold on. Let's go. This is probably overdone. Probably overdone here. Trying to use this value area low. Probably not the best thing to do. Stop's probably too tight as well. Maybe below the lows. Well, we'll see. Remember, you should have asked why. Should price get to your target? Is it logical? Then target is there. Oh, come on. I was looking at targeting this value area low, but it's probably not in play anymore. Lost 39 there. Charlie. Are we going to break it with volume? No. No, no, no. I'm not going to be taking that. Remember, you have to ask why. So why should price hit your target? If it's logical, then put a target there. This thing's just torturing me. More volume to the downside here. It's gonna drag this fucking thing down to my stop. There's no way this ain't gonna come down and hit my stop. I just can't find buyers. So if price re-enters value, I personally would look for shorts. Why? Because price left value to the downside, so sellers must be there. When do I enter? When the price gets stuffed. Why? Sellers are back. Okay. Sellers are back. Let's see. Let's put that there. This should be 84. And if you ask why enough, you end up with a filter which keeps you out of bad trades. The thing is, this joker seems like it's found... No, I didn't say enter trade low. This is just an example. Oh, take it off. See, we've come down to this high volume here. And buyers have stepped back in. Oh my word. Have I been stopped out of gold yet? Hold on. Oh, I've been stopped out of gold. Sure. There he goes. Stopped out of gold. Another losing day on the books. Another losing day on the books. Gold did not retrace like I wanted to see it do. Okay. Here's your chance now. Go look at gold, see why you lost, or what you could do next time. With gold, there was a reason I bought. I think it was down here. It's off this low here. And I somewhat chased it. Where was the entry? I think it was a bad entry as well. I'm a long all the way up here. Poor entry. Really poor. It is bare necessities. So that's 317. Cause it's bare necessities. 19, I need 38. Too much. Cause it is the bare necessities. Why did he turn around? Can't really see it. Can't really see it. This is just too slow now. Can't use it. Cause it's bare necessities. So one goal, did you enter according to your strategy? Was it proper entry? Was it FOMO? Alright, any signs you said? Any signs you said? Trades may be good, but still a loser. Very good. I think over on gold, it was a poor entry. And the poor entry meant the target was a lot further out. And that was beyond anything that was reasonable for the market. See, this just feels like a short down to the lows. But right, no logic to it. What did I lose today? I think I'm going to call it there. So I lost another 320. Another 320. Goodness me. So there's your first line. It was a bad entry. You also put your target in a logical spot due to the entry. So what will you do next time? Probably need to just get out. Probably the best thing to just get out. So I don't understand why this is going up. Did I miss something? No, next time you just don't take the trade, except that you missed the entry. Except that I missed the entry. As I could do. That would be the best. Oh shit. Said it's the necessities. This time. Now ask why is price going up? Look at the footprint charts. Price is struggling to go down. Where? Right at the stat buyers on the imbalance. Oh, over here. Right there. So the logical conclusion is buyers are defending the position. Well, we got other stat buyers down here as well. Let's see where since we got sellers. That's why it's so important to ask why. Market doesn't move for no reason. There's a logic behind it. Once you understand the why, you make money. I wonder if hopefully I prepare for that delivery. Hold on. Hold on, mate. I'm just grabbing something. About to read your comment. Okay, so part of why I was able to grow as a trader so fast is because I wanted to really badly know why. I think I'm probably going to have to use something different in TradingView because I can't see the imbalances on this. Oh, I can. If I go up a time frame. No, it's too hard. For example, when interest rates go up, you usually see the value of gold go up. Why? Because people buy gold to hedge against the inflation. So why is gold high right now? Inflation rates. Also, it's a hedge on currency depreciation. Oh, you've got to be. Jeez. So why did this stop here? If inflation drops, you're likely to see gold go down in value and see bonds go up because people don't have much of a need to hedge against inflation. See, it didn't even get down to the 99.5s. Though inflation isn't the only factor, gold's increase in value is definitely a good driving factor. Or like with stocks, when earning reports come out, earning reports come out and have surprise return, meaning they made more than expected. You see a gap from on the charts. Form on the charts. Who had earnings this week? Amazon. AMZN, I believe. Or was it last week? Amazon. Oh, they did last Friday. A gap down. Less than expected. If price retraces the gap, you'll likely have higher quality long setup because the value of the stock increase and the price pullback to a price worth less than the company's worth. Oh, this is gonna. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Why is this run? Hold on. Let's turn this up. This is fundamental analysis. That's why we see when we had the inflation problem, Fed interest rates provided so much volatility. I think East, I'm going to walk away, mate. With look at that, the stacked imbalances. Look at the stacked imbalances holding. You did say the why. Look at that, stacked imbalances, and the market's come back. There's an imbalance right there. Right there. I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. Let's see. So we lost about 320 today. Or like when silver dropped, why did it drop? The price moved below the hedge fund's entry price, so they were forced to sell, causing a drop quickly where they can buy back at fair value. You see, I thought it was because of the new Fed person that the president appointed, Walsh or something. I saw that's what they said on the headlines, that the new Fed chair was supposed to be a hawk. So that was supposedly negative for the precious metals, but I don't know how true that was. I think I saw that on, it might be Bloomberg or CNBC, when we had the volatility. Let's get this back up. when, oh my gosh, that's horrible. Yeah, when we had the volatility of the selling. No, not that. Instrument gold. Right here. Where we had that really big down day. I think silver was down 35%. Yeah, over 35%. And it's trying to recover, but struggling a bit after that bearish engulfing candle. Look how ridiculous the candle is. Trading like a penny stock. Let's get back to what we were looking at. When the person was appointed, a strong seller stepped in, which drove price below the hedge funds, which acted as sort like a bubble, which popped prices straight down. Maybe someone was looking to attack them. See on silver how there was a large buy volume spot. Hold on. See on silver there was a large buy volume spike. Then when price got below that, it dropped. Hold on. Let's have a look at this. Oh, right here on the 26th of Jan. We got below it and it just fell out of bed. So if you put the puzzle together, so if you put the puzzle together, you have a large amount of buy volume and suddenly sellers step in. Suddenly step in and those buyers are now losing money. So you would logically sell, then price goes down. Where did price end up? At the previous area where fair value, where the current consolidation. Oh, through this consolidation right here. Yeah, it takes. Oh, hold on, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? where the price ended up consolidation. Yes, it did. I think I'm going to have to... It's pretty clear. I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and spend some time on these charts. Or where did price end up at the previous area of fair value where it's currently consolidating? Where this is. A bit of a B profile right there. Hold on. To be honest, you would already have improved your edge if you waited for price to get stuffed at the stacked imbalance. We've come down to this other imbalance and buyers have stepped in again. I don't think there's any imbalances over here, but it's too thin. Any other questions before you call it a day? I think that's it for now, mate. I'm probably gonna have a few more questions in the future. I certainly will have a few more questions. I just need to do more work. That's what it is. I need to do a lot more work. Lot more work. That's all it is. I may have to take a break just to do that work as well. Because there's certainly a lot that I need to pick up on. Looking at stacked imbalances, the old profiles. So look at this breaking down. $270. We'll see. But thanks as always, Eth. Thanks for stopping by and your comments as well. And for anybody else, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. See if price gets to that POC. All right, let's go have a look. Let's see if we can get price at POC. Why is it not extended? Oh, because of this here. Well, we're just gonna wait, Eve. Let's see if we get to that POC. Seems like we may do. Then we can end the stream. Oh. So just waiting on this. Oh my gosh, is it really not going to get to the PLC? Golly. These buyers, I tell you. These buyers. There we go. Have some orders tagged the PLC. Let's see. So we got 10, 12, 9, 1, 8.40 minus 17.32, 946, 946.40. Lost 320.28. Oh goodness. A bit of an imbalance right there. Let's see. Let's see if we get a true test of the PLC here. Looks like we are going down there, but Also remember, it's an area, not just the exact point of the PLC, so you could have taken along off it once price had heavy volume step in. Oh, I see what you mean. Looks like price is testing the buyer imbalance. Yeah, it looks like it did. Oh, got delivery. Hello? So I'm back. Hold on. Let's see. Looks like looks like you could have logged off the buying balance. Oh, this buying balance right here. Goodness me. Yeah. Certainly. That buying balance near the point of control from this consolidation right here. Look how well that would have worked out. From the buying balance, 44 points. Goodness me. All the way up to that value area low. Even through it. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, I'm going to call it a day there. So, not a great day in the office. Hold on. I shouldn't have any positions on. I think certainly had opportunities. Let's see. At any point was I up 430? So I was up at 414 at one point before drawing down. What sort of loss is this? Oh, it was a slippage. 100k worth of slippage on gold. Trading a thin market. Yep, I'm going to call it a day there. So thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.